Right, we did a bit more this afternoon. Bits on the engine, air intake, which is a stupid idea. There's ringer bolts at the back there for the filter. I've done a couple of clips, sorted the clips out there. We've done the transmission brake, it's all back together. The new clevises, air intake, top cover just dropped on there. On the other side we done the fuel lines. The fuel lines have been renewed. Throttle, brand new fuel filter. We were going to fit the oil filter, but Finnings didn't put a casing seal in the consist that they've sent down, so that's coming in the morning. Just a minor blip. Just looking now, a couple of jobs left to do is to put 2 bolts in the throttle. The back, we forgot about that, for the throttle lever. It's getting there now. We're waiting engine parts at the moment, injectors, glow plugs, set of pipes, 2 fan belts and a thermostat. So it's getting right down now. Connected up the throttle linkage, fuel line connected up. So that's the roller for the trip. Yeah, so it's getting there now. The drain and fuel isolation valves. Yeah, we should brought the bonnet up now, we'll just set it off I think, but it's getting there now. It's a vast difference to where it was a year ago. Stuck in that yard, pushed at the back, and just hope everything goes fine when we actually do the run up. Pretty confident with it. Double clip those and a double clip those with 8 Torx for that suction side. Gonna get a couple of bolts there, but we're waiting on parts at the moment. So when they come, get some oil. I got 1 filter to get, and then the big run will hope to get the run out of it before Christmas. Just progressed well, considering we got no workshop facilities as such. We opened their workshop, so very pleased the way it's coming along. It's a lot of hours and a lot of work. Thanks to my mate there as well, give me a big hand.
A lot of work.
A lot of work's gone into it. So till the next episode. And if you're watching Lord Mac, when are you going to start doing that 951? We'll have this run in and out on the job before you get that done. See you next time.